In this video, I am going to show you how to premiere a video on YouTube. YouTube Premieres lets you and your viewers watch and experience a new video together in real time. Create buzz for your premiere by sharing the watch page so viewers can set reminders, chat, and leave comments. Viewers can watch the premiere on any platform like computer, iPhone, Android, and mobile web. On the computer, go to studios.youtube.com. At the top, click Create and Upload Videos. Shorts aren't supported for premieres. Select your video to upload and enter video details. To immediately premiere the video, click Save or Publish, and then Public, and then Set as Instant. Premiere. The video will premiere then when the video finishes processing. To schedule the premiere for later, click Schedule, enter a date and time, and then check Set as Premiere. To choose a countdown, theme, and countdown length, click on Setup Premiere, and then click Done or Schedule. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.